Well, this has been quite the afternoon down here in our Lego room. As you could see, we spent a good portion of an hour to remove mostly everything from our tables. What's left is a few a few road plates and some other base plates and the raw table. And the kids have been very helpful in this project, removing all the stuff. And next up we'll be cleaning these tables entirely, of course. But now we're gonna head upstairs to make some dinner and just kick back and relax this Sunday evening. It's a first of many steps towards the new layouts, and I'm very excited about our plans as well. So take care, you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.